Unraveling the Meaning, Cry Wolf, in English. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to unravel, cry wolf. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, cry wolf, originates from one of Aesop's fables, titled, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In this story, a young shepherd boy tricks the villagers into thinking a wolf is attacking his flock of sheep. When the wolf actually does appear, the villagers don't believe him, and he loses his sheep. The moral of the story is that liars will not be believed, even when they are telling the truth. The phrase, cry wolf, has been adapted from this moral and is used in English to describe someone who gives a false alarm or warns of a danger that is not actually there. Cry wolf is usually used as a verb phrase. For example, you can say, you shouldn't cry wolf unless you are in real danger. This phrase is advising someone not to raise a false alarm. It can also be used to describe a person or their actions. For example, he's known to cry wolf. I wouldn't take him too seriously. In this case, the phrase indicates that the person often exaggerates or lies about dangerous situations. Let's look at some examples to understand how cry wolf is used in sentences. 1. Samantha cried wolf about the project being too hard, but in the end, she got the highest grade in the class. Here, Samantha exaggerated about the difficulty of the project, but it turned out she was quite capable. 2. If you keep crying wolf about being sick to avoid school, nobody will believe you when you're actually ill. This sentence warns against false alarms as they can lead to a loss of trust. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to cry wolf and how to use it in your everyday English. Remember, it's important not to misuse this phrase, as trust is a valuable thing and once lost, it can be hard to regain. We hope this video was helpful and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.